I am Martie Huysman. This is my sister.
I am Ansa Erasmus.
We are the founders of Clever Kids Educare.
We don't get any subsidies from government. The only people helping us at the moment is iFoundation and Marco Polo.
iFoundation is providing good, healthy meals for each and every one of our plus minus 100 children daily. With iFoundation, they brought in Marco Polo, which has sponsored and made an enormous difference in our care. They have provided us with tart areas for ball play and wheel play. They changed our toys, replaced them with good wheel toys, sand toys. They helped us to get a borehole, which we used to run the toilets from. They replaced our bathrooms, the pretty awnings that we have to provide the extra classroom. They raised our walls, the grass that could not stand all this little feet, they replaced. Even our outside fence was sponsored by them. Everything that is good looking was done by Marco Polo. They replaced our mattresses and everything that is expensive we would never have had if it wasn't for Marco Polo, which came to us through the iFoundation.
I want to add something else that made a big difference in this creche, and that is the roofs. They did our roofs for heat. It was extremely warm in the classes, and with the roofs painted now, the ceilings and stuff, we can all live in the classrooms now.
Here at Clever Kids, we don't only teach them, we try to assist them with the basic things they need at home as well, like food and clothing and bedding. We have educated teachers that provide a good education. When they are ready to go to school, they do well. We follow them through until after matric. The first matriculants came back with good stories, and that made us feel proud and give us the will to continue.